Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by opening Excel Mobile and signing into your account so your files sync. Once signed in, tap the plus icon to create a new workbook or select a recent file to continue. Make sure to enable editing if the workbook opens in view-only mode and pick a template when time matters. Templates set up sheets, formats, and basic formulas for you. This first step gets you into an editable grid fast, so you can begin entering data and structuring your sheet. Now focus on filling cells and applying tools that speed work. Tap a cell to enter or paste data, then drag the fill handle to extend dates, numbers, or custom series. This saves manual typing. Use the formatting ribbon to set number formats like %, dollar, or dates, and apply bold or cell fill to highlight key values. For calculations, tap FX to insert formulas, use AutoSum for quick totals, and apply sort and filter to organize large lists before reviewing results. Finish by saving your workbook to OneDrive or your device and renaming it so it's easy to find. Then share with collaborators using a link or attachment. Review all formulas and freeze rows or columns to keep headers visible while scrolling. If a value looks wrong, make sure calculation mode is on auto and recalc manually if needed. Also update the app to rule out bugs. If a sheet won't open, restart the app and check your internet connection before trying again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.